Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find day 9 of the little pink splash whale in Heartopia. So you'll be able to find it here. Don't forget to take a picture. Don't worry guys, I will show it to you guys on the map. It is in Coral Way, not Coral Whale, sorry. And just take a picture and don't forget to give it a little boop, and soon I will show you where it is on the map. It's right here, and don't worry guys, bubble is right on top. Just swim up. The bubble's location is still going to be here. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!